In the function header, or the prototype, we have included the data type of the argument in the parameter list. It is also possible to set a default value for these arguments in the parameter list that can be used to assign values when they are omitted from the function call. In this program, we will set up two default values for the length and width of a rectangle. The default values are only used when the actual arguments are omitted from the function call. In our function prototype, we have the return type of int, the name of the function is find_perimeter, and the two variables int length and int width both have values. In the main part of our program, we will call the function once with no arguments, we will call it a second time with 2 arguments, and finally we'll call it one more time with only 1 argument. At the bottom is the actual definition of our function. Int find_perimeter, int length, comma, int width. Return 2 times length plus 2 times width. Let's see if we can predict what the answer should be. So if I call find_perimeter and I don't give it any values, I should automatically get 2 times the length of 20 plus 2 times the length of 30, which is 40 plus 60, which is 100. The second one, I'm going to give it the values 5 and 10. That time I should get 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2 times 10 is 20, so my perimeter should be 30. And the last one, when I pass it a value of just 10, it'll use 10 for the length and 30 for the width. So the length should be 20 and the width should be 60, and so the whole perimeter should be 80. It's good to kind of think through what you expect from your program prior to running it. Okay, let's take a look and see if our prediction was right. The first call with no arguments returned 100. The second call with 2 arguments returned 30, and the last call with only 1 argument returned 80.